All right, guys, we are very excited to have you here with us today. Well done for arriving to this video. Ah! Well, this is a plastic bag. The carpet grip board. Carpet grip. Just a little bit of carpet grip.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, dude, why is there Mr. Bean on the board?
You take one selfie of yourself.
That is a photo we took for my Instagram.
Are you sure?
That's where they got it from,
I
yeah.
thought that one was when I was in LA.
It was, you and me in LA.
Danger, sharp below cardboard.
McNugget, run. Run.
It's just carpet grip. Carpet
No,
grip.
it's carpet grip, yeah. Just carpet. Grip.
Wait, are you talking about the little? Oh, have fun with this video, guys. I'm gonna watch you guys from the side. I'm feeling kind of sick.
Here, so let's bring out the original one.
Nail board.
That's my favorite board. I love that board.
And now we look at version 2.
This is way worse than that.
Yeah, it actually is. Ah!
Is it really sharp?
Yeah.
It's very sharp. Go ahead, try it out. Don't trust me.
Oh my, that is so bad. Luckily you got those new FP shoes.
We're definitely gonna step on it with no shoes.
Yeah.
You are fully on there. You know both. This is gonna be really exciting.
But you look like, I don't know if it's extreme excitement or extreme concern.
I'd rather skate the original.
Tray flip me.
Not it.
Ooh, what if the drill slips and your hand just goes... I can't tell how you feel about this board either.
I love it. I'm gonna ride it up and down the banks to make sure it doesn't break. It done stabbed me. Ow, my legs!
I guess we're not the sharpest tools in the shed.
No, we're the sharpest grip tape in the shed.
Throw it! Oh, Aaron, no! Aaron, no! No, Aaron!
Hold me, Fetty.
Nigel!
Oh no! What? You got it. Oh my God! Nothing. That's okay. It's okay.
No! It didn't pierce at all?
I don't think so. Y'all are not from Montana. I am from Montana. Oh boy.
No, Aaron, come on, man.
What? It's just about getting the perfect spot. Oh gosh! Oh no, it hurts so bad. For some reason, the socks were totally okay.
Oh, Aaron.
He literally put all his weight on that right there.
Kickflip off? All right, he'll go last.
This is like one of the only ones I don't want to go first.
Well, you got your wish.
And Aaron's last.
Why? The one time I win a Rochambeau, it's on this.
Did you skate the original nail board?
Well, not the first time. We did a Braille Army video on it.
Are you more afraid of this one too?
Yes.
Oh no!
It sticks, guys. Kick really hard.
Oh no!
Kick really hard.
Yeah, I feel it. It's just grabbing onto my soul.
Dude, no, hey, Chris, I legit, like, I got a drop in my stomach right there. Really? When you stepped on it, like, it just freaked me out for some reason. Oh, gosh.
I feel like it's just like shredding my shoe.
What does it feel like?
It feels sticky because it's like jabbing into your shoe.
You're the master of the nail board, so I think you got this. Oh.
Listen, I got FP socks, FP insoles, FP shoes, FP pants. I'm indestructible.
Oh! Hey!
Come on, look at this.
Oh, let's go, boy! Get his back.
Hopefully I nail this.
Oh! Dang. Did it stab or it just went in?
No, just grabby.
Wow! Nigel, are you sure you don't want to give it a try?
Me to
Are you
kickflip
sure?
this.
It's a weird board. You can do it.
No, I
Go
cannot.
after Aaron.
I almost landed, slipped back, and fell my face first on the board and slid with my face on the board.
You gotta do a trick on it. Yeah, at least a pop shot.
I'm so scared.
Ready, flip off? Wow.
I was staring at him and like it came around and he went and like sucked up just so he can get his feet on there.
Run it. No, Chris. Oh no.
Don't.
Oh. Hey! Whoa! Back to back. Oh!
Did you hear the noise?
No, I didn't.
Basically, it was like.
You guys got to be really sharp on your skills to land these.
You gotta nail every trick.
Ah.
Got him.
They're like Pokemon.
Carlos, that was just messed up. Is anyone willing to do an ollie heel in memory of Doug not being able to be here?
Yes.
I'll do that.
Oh no!
Doug,
No.
help me.
I just want to land a tray flip and then a tray flip revert and then let Carlos skate the stairs.
Yeah, good call, good
just
call.
kidding. Oh, it's scary.
Let's get an ollie flip. Oh no! All right.
Nollie heel or hard flip?
You can do both. I do want one for Doug though.
I'm gonna try the nollie heel for Doug. Yeah, I got that right here.
I think it's because you have to scream for Doug.
This one is for Doug.
With a Doug of tails.
Oh! Hey, you fell.
The safest way to skate this board. Ready? No nails.
How? Oh no! No, stop, Carlos, don't move! Oh no!
Overconfidence will always ruin your
Holding his carpet in place.
Hey, is there anything you'd like to say, sir?
That looks painful.
Tray revert first try?
We gotta figure out what's the nose and the tail. Maybe we should just start making this as a big sticker.
I would like that.
I almost lost everything.
For Doug!
With a Doug of tails.
Wow! That was amazing.
That felt pretty good.
Dismount a rubber tortilla.
For Doug.
We'll do a Cthulhu flip.
Oh no.
Ah, man, I hate that noise, dude.
Nail board. Nailed me. Where's the coffin? I'm done.
Ready to you, no slide? Oh!
How was that? Ah!
His brand new shoes.
Wow!
It was not the best one, but I'll take it.
Oh no. Everyone clear the area! How is he just so willing to do that? Wow! You still gotta get your hard flip, I haven't forgotten.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Oh my God!
Ouch.
Way to stick it to the board.
Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh no!
Now we're good.
Oh. Wow!
I don't know if people understand. Do you think they understand?
They have no idea how sharp it is. Wow! You just big spin out, dude. Boom! Let McNugget do his hard flip real quick. What?
I got really scared, and then I saw his feet do the hard flip thing, and then
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's razor.
You want to try anything on it?
I'm crippled.
Wow! Oh, I meant switch blunt.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, keep the foot up, keep the foot up, keep the foot up.
That was so scary. I thought I had it, but I couldn't pop it past the coping.
More! I hurt myself enough without nails in the board.
I got you, Gabe.
Thank you. Oh!
That's a rebate, right?
Aaron, after this try, we're ending the video. Betty! I got it, I think.
So basically the carpet grip is the best grip ever.
Literally. Aaron, take us out of this video.
All right, guys, we hope you had a blast watching this video. We had a blast making it for you, and thank you, each and every single one of you. We hope that you guys, yes, you are learning how to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com and get all your skateboarding needs. We have the best, most comprehensive videos, so go there and check it out, brailleskateboarding.com. And if you guys have an incredible skateboard like this that you could send us an email, skate@brailleskateboarding.com. Thank you. You guys are the absolute best. You know what to do, Notification Squad. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video.